Hi there, students. Surety. Surety. Okay, this is a noun, normally uncountable, but it could be countable as well. This comes from the adjective sure. Are you sure this is true? What surety do you have that this is true? What certainty do you have? He spoke with great surety, with great certainty. So surety, that which makes you sure, something that confirms, something that gives you grounds for confidence, something that gives you a guarantee, it gives you security. So very often we use this word surety in the phrase to act as surety or to give surety. Let's see, if someone borrows money, very often they will ask someone else to act as a guarantor, to guarantee the loan, to act as surety, to guarantee that if the other person doesn't pay the money, then they accept legal responsibility for that debt. Let's see, you can also accept legal responsibility for somebody, that to act as surety for someone, as that you will have to appear in court if they don't come. Very often when somebody is accused of something, instead of going directly to jail, they get bail. They're allowed out, but normally they have to pay surety. That they have to deposit an amount of money, and that is surety. Or something that will guarantee the repayment of the loan. So for example, if you borrow money to buy a house, you get a mortgage, the property is the surety on the loan. It's the guarantee. It guarantees that the loan is going to be paid. Okay, so it acts as collateral, if you like. So to stand surety, I have promised to stand surety for my friend if he doesn't appear in court next week. He gave me his watch as surety, and said that when he paid me back, I could give him his watch back. So surety is talking about being certain about something. A sum of money as bail or as surety. Okay, it's like a guarantee. It's something that you guarantee, that gives a guarantee that something will be paid back. Yeah, in finance, a surety bond or guarantee involves a promise by somebody to assume responsibility if the borrower defaults on a debt. So it's like a guarantee. You guarantee the person who is obliged to make the payment, and this is you are standing surety for someone. But surety, it just means certainty. So what surety do you have that this person is going to pay? What evidence? He spoke with a lot of surety. Very often, or in the past, in history, people were taken as surety for a peace treaty, as hostages. Okay, so surety is evidence, something that makes a guarantee that somebody will do something if the principal fails to do them. So to surety, the condition of being sure, being beyond something that is beyond doubt. This is a surety. I agreed to stand surety for my brother as the guarantor, as the bondsman, the Americans say. Okay, so surety. I think this is mostly a business word. I think I would give it a 6.5 in formality. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. Yeah, but what surety do you have? You could use it like that as well, not in a business context. So yeah, use it semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing, and it clearly comes from the word sure. It comes from Old French Surety, which itself comes from Latin securitas, safe, secure, safety. So enough, surety. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope you now you understand surety with surety. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Surety.